Hey guys, today I will be brewing filter coffee using Aeropress and Colombian coffee El Marcelo. I will be using a recipe from Ralf, which he used at the first German Aeropress championship back in 2012, and it still tastes amazing. For this recipe we will be using 15 grams of coffee and 230 grams of water at the temperature of 94 degrees Celsius. We are using medium grind settings, which in the language of Comandante is about 24 clicks. Starting position. Filter in, put it on, and put it on the pitcher. Give it a good rinse to wash off any paper taste. Just like this. After you rinse the paper filter, you're gonna remove the basket, put on the second part, and prepare the Aeropress like this. This is called inverted method. Now we're gonna put in the coffee. Make sure to use the funnel so there is no mess. So first we will be blooming using 50 grams of water, starting the stopwatch. Adding the water in a circular motion to make sure I wet all the grounds. No need to stir. And at the 20 seconds mark, we're gonna add rest of the water. Total volume 230 grams. I'm pouring the water in the center. And now I'm going to immediately close the Aeropress. I put it aside and press it to get rid of the remaining oxygen in the chamber. Just like this. Now we're going to wait till 1 minute and 30, and then we're going to press for approximately 30 seconds. So 1 minute 30, put the pitcher on, quickly flip, and smoothly press for about 30 seconds. Make sure to not go all the way down so you don't squeeze the coffee bed. The total brew time should be around 2 minutes. Now I pull it back a little bit to create a vacuum, so no drips. And there we have it. So, final beverage should have between 205 and 210 milliliters. And if you are measuring TDS, we are aiming for extraction between 18.5 and 20%. El Marcelo is a farm classic from Cauca, Colombia. The farm lies at incredible 2,150 meters above sea level. That means very bright and juicy flavors. This actual lot is a washed Castillo and is full of cranberry, hibiscus, and is very juicy. Let's try it. Just a showcase of a wonderful Cauca region in Colombia. Bright, juicy, full of cranberries and hibiscus.